Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you team of the season 96 OVR right midfielder. How to exchange rewards Angel Di Maria in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused. How can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange feature and tap this Di Maria. So Angel Di Maria with 96 OVR, right midfielder, play for Benfica. So he's former player Real Madrid, legendary player from Real Madrid, and also play for Manchester United, a bad season, and also he had a good career in PSG, and now he's back into Benfica. So he got 6 straight, very good long shot taker, outside foot shot, flare, final shoot. He can play in winger area, center midfielder area, or attacking midfielder area in real life. So if you need is Angel Di Maria, with 93 pace, 99 passing, and 100 dribbling, very good. You need a Di Maria token. You can earn the token, you can collect the token by fulfill this condition. For example, Di Maria token and pack 1, you need 5 player of 70 plus OVR to get 1 token. Type exchange and we got Di Maria token. Let's see. Yes, we got 1 token. So you need 8 tokens. Let's see the condition of the last token. Di Maria token A and pack 8. So you need 1 player with 94 a plus OVR, 92 plus OVR player. Let's see if I want to exchange with this one, Otamendi, 88 plus player, and last one 7 player with 84, and it's done. You can tap this exchange button to get the Maria token and pack 8. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the next button below. See you in the next video.